Want to build smart, connected devices that communicate wirelessly in real time? Curious how to use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in your own IoT projects? What if you could turn an ESP32 board into a fully functioning smart device today? Hi, I'm Joyt Go from the Educational Engineering team. I'll help you quickly turn your ESP32 ideas into real prototypes. Here's what you'll learn. Set up and program the ESP32 using the Arduino IDE. Build Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled devices. Read and transmit sensor data for real-time monitoring. Create a dashboard. Set up motion alerts and build mobile interfaces. You'll also solve real-world problems with smart lighting, automation, and live data logging. By the end of this course, you'll have built multiple working IoT projects. You will not only understand the ESP32, you will know how to use it to build deployable solutions. Students have used these skills for capstone projects, home automation, and even launching tech startups. Ready to go beyond blinking LEDs and start building real smart devices? Click to enroll now and begin your IoT development journey with ESP32. Let's bring your ideas to life, one project at a time.